Pacteon's purpose is to automate the supply of life's products. What we're talking about is all of our families require certain goods, and we help automate those goods to ensure they're available to our families at a very reasonable price. It's somewhat unique in our industry to have somebody that can go from case packing all the way through wrapping. And that's something that we can do. And as we combine, we're able to create solutions that are managed all the way through that process.
In today's chaotic world with supply chain and all the other factors that individuals have to deal with at their plants, dealing with one specific vendor ensures that the customer is going to have one central point of contact throughout the entire project process. Schneider's been in business since 1970. We provide end-of-line automation from case packing all the way through palletizing, integration with stretch wrappers and AGVs.
So Schneider, we have a huge range of capabilities and many years of experience of working with different products and packages. We can handle most anything, but sometimes there's still something that we can't do on our own. So we do like to work with our partners, whether it be a Pacteon partner like Phoenix here, where they can provide a stretch wrapper at the end of one of our palletizers, or maybe ESS work something more smaller bottles, something in the pharmaceutical industry where they're a little bit more suited and we can work together.
ESS provides secondary packaging, 75%, 80% into the pharmaceutical industry, the rest medical device and other industries. Fanuc is a partner of ours. Between the two companies, between us and Schneider, we probably order anywhere upwards of 150 to 175 robots per year. We use them in all our packaging equipment, from palletizing to cartoning to case packing.
Schneider has been a great partner for well over 20 years. They really do a great job in the end-of-line packaging area for us. Taking care of food and beverage and consumer goods markets very well for us, giving us a great footprint in those areas. Fanuc has a wide breadth of products, everything from our CNC and servo control to our robots, and then also our robo machines. From the robotic standpoint, we offer a plethora of robots from small to very large. Everything from those robots into the software to help you do almost any application you can imagine, along with vision. That vision is fully integrated. So our vision is fully integrated in our controllers. So that means that our controllers can run that full vision process for you. So you don't need a third-party computer to do that.
Our customers many times are looking for an entire turnkey solution, not just pieces of their line. So since we're partnered with companies that are different parts of the line, it allows us to help offer our customers a more total turnkey solution versus just one piece of the puzzle.
We take individual companies that were good on their own, but then marry them together under the Pacteon name, and now we become this great company moving forward.
Being a Pacteon company means to me that we are on the cutting edge of the latest technology in our industry, that we provide the most fantastic support to our end users out in the field, and that ultimately at the end of the day, we're going to make it right.
The Pacteon promise is that we make it right. And I feel a lot of pride towards that. I really enjoy being part of this company because I can stand in front of all the companies that I know, all of my friends in the industry, and know that we're going to provide a good solution that's going to work for them and work for them for many years to come.